Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Harry from Truth Origins. I often get asked what the best way to take our products is. So today I'm going to show you the Dr. Harry Health Shot. I start with about 100 mils of water, half a glass, and then I put a high dose of each of the products in turn. Now I'm starting here with curcumin, which, as you will know, has some fantastic anti-inflammatory properties, and ours is water soluble, and you can see it dissolving straight there into the water. Now I've got vitamin C. Now we all know about vitamin C, but what's interesting is, even though we all know about it, vitamin C deficiency is still really common in the United Kingdom and other parts of the developed world. And then I've got omegas, again, water soluble, which is unique. A high dose of that, and then you get the benefit of omega-3 fatty acids and also omega-6. So as you can see, they've all mixed together. It's water soluble, easy to drink, tastes great, and that's the Dr. Harry Health Shot. Delicious.